Okay, I don't know how much of the first video of this brown rice supremo, I guess I would call it brown rice supremo. Anyways, it's like a risotto technique, only the difference is I bought this organic brown rice, which is already bought, and it's already pre-cooked. And this is a 1 pound, so I used a third of it, so which is 1. So there's 3 packages, which equals to a third of a pound. Basically took it out, and I could use this later. I sauteed some wonderful veggies. I sauteed some onions, some green onions, which is just 1 green onion. 1. You only need maybe 2. And then I sauteed some of these nice peppers, this meaty roundup pepper that I found, and a little bit of zucchini, just a little bit. And it doesn't have any tomato in there, no tomato. And then I sauteed, let me see, some cremini mushrooms. Basically what I did was I added the peppers and the onions first, and then added the green onions, and I sauteed them all together, the 3. And I like it colorful because it just looks nicer when it's colorful. And then you take your little cremini mushrooms that you buy at your local farmer's market, and then I rinse them off. You don't have to, but I do. I like rinsing off all my veggies and stuff. And then I chop them off thinly sliced, and I sauteed it all together. And then I sauteed it in a little bit of grapeseed oil, a little dollop of that, and then a little dollop of extra virgin olive oil. So I mix it because I want to get that Mediterranean feel. And then, turn this off because it's done. And basically, it's got that little fond on the bottom. And you know what? That's flavorful. So what you can do, if it starts sticking a little bit, just add a little bit of this chicken stock, and it's good. Okay? So, and then just turn it on. Put on low heat. Okay? And so after you saute them, basically what you do is you take your brown rice package, you basically, after it's sauteed, you put the brown rice package in there. You might want to saute, while you're sauteing, you want to salt and pepper your veggies, okay? So that it'll you want to get the flavor, the vegetables flavor. And then I put a little bit of oregano, just a little bit, and some herbe de Provence, like a ½ teaspoon each. So basically that's what I want to do. I want to bring the flavor, and then I squeeze a ½ a lemon. So fresh squeezed lemon, and then this is going to be so good. And then add it a little bit onto your vegetables. You add a little bit of the white wine, take a little bit of butter, and you add it in there. And you just add a package of the already pre-cooked brown rice. If you can avoid the microwave, do so. Save it for the popcorn. And then I just add it in there, and then voila, that's good. And you want to taste it to make sure that it has all the spice, the seasonings that you want. Not the spices, but the seasonings. I like Malbec wine. Malbec wine is a good wine pair. Delicious. Goes well with your rice. You could serve this as a main entree or a side dish or an appetizer. Oops, an appetizer. Basically, it's done. You have your risotto brown rice primavera. So delicious. And if you want to add a little bit of Parmesan Reggiano in there, add a little bit more. I mean, you can play with it however you want. So basically the technique is what's important. You plate it, add some nice herbs to it, and there you have it. A nice meal in one. salmon. Try this. Okay. You can taste the butter in there, all the little veggies, and the onions are very faint. I didn't put garlic in this one. I want the peppers to be the highlight, and the creminis and the zucchini. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will work on some more. Okay, see you later. Love you. Bye.